Welcome to a lesson of circles and finding the circumference of them. What is a circle? A circle is a closed round-shaped figure which has no corners or edges. The formal definition is defined as, a circle is a set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a given point called the center of a circle. Today we'll be learning about the circumference, a fancy word for perimeter, of a circle. Circumference shows the distance around a circle. What is the formula used for circumference? The formula used for circumference is circumference equals 2 pi r, or circumference equals pi diameter. Don't get confused though. Area is the space inside of the shape. Don't confuse it with the circumference's formula, which is the distance around the circle. As you can see, the area of the circle is pi r squared, but the circumference is 2 pi r, which are both different. Ways to find circumference. To find the circumference, you need to memorize the formula. Circumference equals 2 pi r. First, take the radius of the circle and multiply it by 2. This makes the diameter. After, multiply your product with pi. It's as easy as that. If you already have the diameter in the math problem, all you need to do is multiply it with pi. So, the first way of finding circumference would be multiplying radius in 2, which makes a diameter, and then using the product to multiply it with pi. But if you already have the diameter, just multiply the diameter with pi, and you have your circumference. Examples of circumference math problems. The answer for number 1 is 37.68. What you do first is multiply 6 and 2, which gets 12, which is your diameter, and then multiply 12 with pi. This is a circumference. For number 2, the solution would be 43.96. Since the diameter is already there and we know diameter is radius times 2, all you need to do is multiply the diameter with pi, which is 14 times pi, and the answer is 43.96. My favorite word problems with circumference. Candace bought a new tire to replace with her old tire. The radius of her tire is 13 inches. How many inches around is her tire? And the radius is 13. This is a little hard to do since there aren't many circumference word problems. It's mostly math problems. The solution would be 81.64 inches. As you can see, the formula is 2 pi r. So, 13 times 2 is 26, and then multiply it with pi, which gets you the circumference. So you learned that a circle is a closed round-shaped figure with no edges or corners. Circumference is the area around a circle, also known as perimeter, and the formula of a circle's circumference is 2 pi r. And also, remember to not confuse the formulas between the area and circumference of a circle. Area is pi r squared and circumference is 2 pi r.